Hey everybody, Chris Henderson here from Northern Tribe Outdoors, and it is a blustery, cold, somewhat rainy day. We'll see what we got going. It is a mondo tide. We're talking 15.1, and then it drops down to a 5.9. So we're going to see a 10-foot tidal exchange in the next 7 hours. So that's going to be yee-haw. So we'll be moving a few times. Quite the paddle out here, but hopefully it settles down. The wind's supposed to settle down this evening. We'll see if it does or not. But anyway, I was told that there might be some birds that moved into the marsh, so we'll see. It's kind of going to be rainy and windy, and right now it's nice. But the next squall comes through, so I'm going to be fighting to keep my screen clean, and we'll see how it goes. I got the we're just going to be shooting our typical spread, and I also got my Tacticam on. Right now I'm not hunting because I'm sitting here holding the dog, because we're not in a place where we can really hunt yet. We got a few decoys out, but as the tide goes down, we'll get into a better spot. So anyway, hope you enjoy the hunt, and hopefully we have some birds to show at the end. We'll see. Quite alive, actually. But Corey, come. But sure. Corey, come. Take shells. Yeah. Corey, come. Yeah, head for the pole. He's just to the left of it. Corey, come. Corey, get him. The damn awkward shots, good man. Look at him, watch him, watch him. Here he comes. He's coming back, Drake. Corey, Corey. Yeah. Corey. Oh my goodness. Kennel. 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 You got the last one. You got him? I got him. coming.
Huh?
More coming.
You saw me kneel whenever I knelt.
Yeah.
One was coming right at me. I was like, oh, you're dead. Yeah, I got one.
You got one. Good girl, Tori. Tori, come. 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 Give. No. No. Good girl. Good girl. Come. I figured they were going to give me a much better choice than that. Go bird. Kennel. I mean, it was a long shot.
Yep.
Kennel. Kennel. Kennel.
Those two were flying with all the seagulls.
Yeah. They weren't coming down any further. Well, that's a wrap. We each ended with one duck. Hopefully we got some video of that. Have no idea. Yeah, we're got cold hands, quite a bit of wind, and a little bit of rain going right now. So we're gonna try and pick up our decoys and get out of Dodge. It's gonna be a sporty little paddle back. The tide's coming up, so that will be in our favor. And the wind's out of the south, so we'll be crossing it. It won't be right in our nose, but should be interesting. We saw a few more birds this time, so that's kind of good. We saw some migrators, which usually come in flocks, you know, and coming off the sound. So I think there are more birds moving in. They're finally maybe moving out of Canada. So anyway, well, that's it for now. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.